Meet the all-new Echo Show 8 second generation with Alexa. Now with 8-inch HD screen, 13-megapixel camera, auto-framing feature and stereo sound. It connects to Alexa and helps you access entertainment in any room of your choice. Alexa, play Family Man on Amazon Prime Video.
Playing Family Man on Amazon Prime Video.
Play your favorite song and sing along to the lyrics. Alexa, play Tu Hi Re.
Playing Tu Hi Re on Amazon Music.
Stream millions of songs from your favorite apps. Make hands-free video calls to other Echo devices with screen and smartphones with the Alexa app. Alexa, call Dad. The upgraded 13-megapixel camera pans and zooms automatically to ensure you're always in the focus. You can also access the built-in camera to get live video feed on your Alexa app and monitor your home remotely. Voice control your compatible smart home devices. Alexa, switch on the lights.
Okay.
And here's what's interesting. Alexa now also speaks in Hindi. Just say, Alexa, तुम कैसी हो?
आपने पूछा, दिल garden garden हो गया.
The Echo Show 8 and Alexa are always adding new skills and getting smarter. The all-new Echo Show 8 second generation with Alexa.